Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to use TurboTax Free Plan for 2025. If you're looking to file your taxes without breaking the bank, this guide is perfect for you. TurboTax makes tax filing straightforward, especially with their free plan designed for simple returns like W-2 income. Let's get started. First, ensure you qualify for the free plan. It's ideal if your taxes are basic, without complex investments or multiple income sources. Head over to the TurboTax website or download the app. It's user-friendly on both desktop and mobile. Step 1. Sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. You'll need your email and a password to get going. Step 2. Once you're in, select the File for Free option. TurboTax will ask a few quick questions to confirm your eligibility, so answer honestly to avoid any surprises later. Step 3. Enter your personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and details about any dependents. Double-check for accuracy to prevent delays. Step 4. Import your financial data if possible. TurboTax can pull in info from your bank, employer, or previous returns, which saves a ton of time and reduces errors. Step 5. Follow the guided questions about your income, deductions, and credits. The software is smart. It suggests ways to maximize your refund. Step 6. Review your entire return thoroughly. Look for any red flags and make sure everything matches your records. Finally, e-file your taxes and wait for confirmation from the IRS. That's it, you filed for free. Remember, if your tax situation is more complicated, you might need to upgrade, but for most folks, this plan works like a charm. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.